the color changes. It can change to yellow. You can This is how to make use of professional photo and video lead light kit. Variable color pro lead 600. This is how to make use of it. This is the stand. First, you have to set the stand to the ground. Unboxing this place. Unhooking it. And if you didn't, babe. Okay. Then you pin this one to be strong. This one to be strong. You can make use of the lead light in two ways. One, either by the battery. This is how to make use of it with the battery. First, you have to pin it. Come closer, please. Come closer, please. You set it like this. See it. It has two circle hole. The two circle hole has to enter this place. Then it pins. Did you hear the sound? Then do the second one the other way around too. Then it pins. When it's done, then you open the face. You open the face. Then you open the face down. Then you put on the battery here. You put it on. You switch it on at the back here. That's it. If you want to dim the light, you zoom it to the left. Sorry, to the left. If you want it more, you zoom to the right. If you want to change the color from this white color to another color, you change it to the right and you switch it to the left side. And if you want to put it to the thing, switch to the right, back to the white. Did you see the difference? Now, the second way of making use of the lead light, for example, is by making use of it without the battery. Let me put it off for now. You put it to the middle. Put it to the middle. That simply means off. Why this one means without light and this one means without light? Let me show you. How to remove your battery. This is how to remove your battery. You press this button. But first, you close it so that you won't injure yourself. Close. You press these two buttons. It removes the battery. That's the first battery is removed. And you press the second button. It removes the second battery. Now, how to make use of it without light? This is it. First, you stand it on this stand, and that is where this comes in. If you want to place it here, this circle thing, you place it on it like this. You rotate it till it's stable, till it stop rolling. That's it. Then you place the light on it. For example, this is it. This angle, this circle, you put it here. Then you rotate it. Till it is stuck, till it is strong. See, it's no more rotating anymore. See, it's no more rotating anymore. Could rotate it more. So you stable it through here. See, to the back. See, move it to the right hand. For example, this is it. If you want to move it to the right hand, you make use of this thing. You switch it. You soft it. See, it's to the right. See, then you sleeve it. For example, as to make it of it in a portrait way. This is a portrait. When you want to make it of it in a large scale way, this is how to do it. You rotate it back and you pin it up. That's it. That's a large scale way. And now, how to make use of it without lights? This is it. You use the charger. You connect it directly to the socket without the battery. Without the battery. Okay. Okay. Is it going to stay on? After you see a charging symbol here, a charging icon. See, they wrote caution. Please switch off the power button before inserting or removing the cable. Is it? So you put it, see it, then you connect it to the socket. When you put it, for example, now the socket is off already. Socket is off. Then you plug it. The green light, there's a light button here. When you put it on, it's gonna power it to green. Then you switch it on. Did you see? It is working without battery. It is working without battery. See it. It's working. Same thing. You can dim it. You can dim it and undim it. Dim it. You can change the color and change the color. It is in two different functions. You can make use of it with a battery and without battery. The color changes. It can change to yellow, it can change to white. But if you want the two colors, it can be like this. That's the mixture of the two colors. That's it. So now, how to charge, that's how to make use of it. When you want to switch it off, you press this button, then it's off already. And you unplug it from the socket. That's all. See it. This is how to charge the battery. This is the battery charger, not the cord. Because most people get confused that they assume this is what they use to charge it. This is not to charge the battery. This is meant to power it on when there is light or there's power electricity. This is the battery charger. When you plug it, it brings out the green light. It brings out the green light. That means it is connected. When you plug it to the socket, plug it changes to red. The reason why it isn't changing to red is because it is fully charged already. That's because if it is full, it will change to green. When it is charging, it changes to red. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.